Hello. I'm just typing something. Okay, let's go to my skincare. I'm so tired. Today was a lot. Today was a lot. Yeah, alam kong pinaghahandaan this week. Bukod sa pangit daw ako, sabi ni Francesca Alexia. 15, parang minor pa to ah. Parang pwede siyang charas. May something sa mata ko. Okay, anyways. Friday is gonna be my show, my comeback show. We have been preparing for the show for a week now. Well, like physically, but like lahat naman ng logistics, we've been preparing for it since we got it planned naman. So, I'm really, really excited kasi it's slowly like coming to life na. Tomorrow is our last day of rehearsals. So, cheers to that. Hi, Miss Tasha. Also, Miss Tasha will be appearing on my new vlog tomorrow. Siya ang aking favorite na makeup artist. Toner, favorite. Paubos na siya. Fenty Beauty Fat Water. Kalma lang, kaka-opera pa lang ng Julia mo. Again, guys, wag na kayong mag-comment about my boobs, ganyan. Kasi, especially kung hindi naman kayo experts. Makikinig lang ako sa experts, okay? Kasi yung surgeon ko, pinayagan na ako. I was cleared na kasi 8 weeks na. So, wag nyo nang problemahin yung suso ko. Ang problemahin nyo yung buhay nyo. Problemahin nyo yung paano kayo makakapasa sa mga exam nyo. Problemahin nyo kung, di ba, kung nakakatulong ba kayo sa mga magulang nyo sa gawaing bahay. Ganun. Wag yung, hindi naman ako hindi naman ako pinanganak kahapon para hindi malaman yung mga ganyang bagay. Although I agree, I appreciate the concern, but if it's about my body, I only listen to experts about my body. Ako'y napapalibutan po ng mga eksperto sa lahat ng nangyayari sa aking pagta-transition. I'm very well monitored by my surgeon. May mga nurses ako na nag-aalaga din sa akin. I mean, nag-monitor sa akin, di ba? May din akong doctor sa aking pagta-transition. So, lahat yan I'm well guided. So, hayaan nyo na ako mabuhay. Charis. Oo. Mahilig nyo sa ganyan eh. Women's Month pa naman. Puro kayo puro comment about women's bodies. Sobrang saya ng rehearsals namin since Monday ba yun? I think Monday. As in, I'm really like genuinely excited for the show. As in, ang ganda ng mga numbers. And also, on top of that, I'm also announcing something on Friday So, and then meron din kami mga freebies. Marami mga freebies na ibibigay. And also, there's new merch coming doon sa ating sa show. I'm really, really excited about that merch kasi I think everyone, like, alam mo yun, kahit hindi ko fan, can wear that. Freebies. Yes, may mga freebies, especially yung mga nasa VIP. Ang mga nasa best seats in the house, di ba? Are we getting a behind the scenes? Yes, of the comeback show, yes. Pero yung day itself na lang, kasi hindi na kami nakapag-film during rehearsals, during planning, ganyan. Kasi sobrang busy talaga and like, we're trying to conserve our energies, ganyan, and like use it somewhere. Yuli is here. Yuli is making one of my clothes, one of my looks for the show. Thank you, Yuli. Shirt ba yung new merch? Yes, it's a shirt. And it's not an ordinary shirt. Charot. Watching from Toronto. Hello, Kuya Ed. OG's night behind the scenes. Yes, meron din yan. Pero, antayin yung konti yan. Kasi, ilalabas ko yan sa takdang panahon. When ka babalik sa Cebu? Malapit na. Like, super lapit na, guys. Mag-a-announce na rin kami ng aming nationwide tour very soon. Yeah, I did 3 fittings as well today and tomorrow. Then, medyo marami-rami pa the day before the show. So, ayun, I'm really excited for Friday, as in, hindi lang mukhang excited ako kasi pagod na ako, but I'm really, really excited. So, there's still a few tickets left for you guys. Go check it out on campsummers.helixpay.ph. Nagdagdag kami ng mga seated seats. And there's still a few standing VIP. And I hope you guys can make it kasi ito lang magiging parang first and kind of like only solo show ko in a while. So baka matagal-tagal pa yung next ko na Marina Summer show. Because I'll be touring and yeah, medyo exhausting kasi talaga mag-solo show. So, baka after many months pa ako mag-solo show ulit. So, ayun. Make sure that you come this Friday kasi matagal. And when I say matagal talaga yung next. Can we see you back on screen kapag nag-Philippine All-Stars? Depende sa cash price. Kung $200,000 yan, go. Charis. Watching from Boracay. Hello. Ilocos Norte. Hindi na tuloy yung Ilocos Norte namin, may inquiry. Tapos biglang nawala. Grabe yung eyebags ko. I mean, yung dark circles ko sa mata. Sobrang kuyat ko recently. Tapos ang aga ko nagigising. Kanina, today like 7 a.m. I was awake na. I was awake at 7 a.m. And nakatulog ako mga 12 kagabi, 1. So, ayan, alas 12 na ako. See you guys sa Pampanga. Yes, I'll be coming to Pampanga soon. LU, I'm coming to LU as well. Baguio, I'm coming to Baguio. I think, tagal kasi nila mag-confirm eh. As in, parang 1 year na yung usapan na yan. Di matuloy-tuloy. Ewan ko ba? Konti na lang, ayoko na. Charis! Ay, ano ba yan? Nalaglag yung ano. Ayan, mga pinagbibili ko sa TikTok. Tapos, ayan. Oh. Ayan. Perfect. Eh, gulo. Ano ba yan? Okay. I own. Ang gulo, diba? Aba, dinedname pa nga ako. Talagang mga tao dito, medyo papansin, no? Ang dead name. Karma talaga ang bahala sa inyo. Charis. Ay, tangay na nito. Ibablock ko to. Block ka sa akin, nak, ha? Pasensya na. Block. Bye! Anong binubudol mo sa TikTok shop? Ang dami! Mga electronics, mga contact lens. Watching from Birmingham. Brunch ko ulit sa bahay namin. Oh my God! Yes, I miss na yung Filipino breakfast ninyo noon. Charis. How do you deal with people who dead name you? Ay, dapat hindi lang yung pangalan ko ang dead. Charis! Anong gamit mong moisturizer? I use the La Mer moisturizer. Hindi pa ako nag-gamit. Scrolling nyo yan. Considered dead naming. Yes! I already told you. And you don't know me as that naman. So, you don't have, why would you call me that? You don't know me as that. The fuck? Charis. Marami kasi sa inyo, alam mo yung parang nalaman nyo lang yung parang names out of drag. Parang feeling nyo meron na kayong right to call someone that kahit na ang the way they present themselves to you is a different name. Parang why would you call them in a different name if they don't tell you to call them that? Diba? Parang, diba? Logic, guys, logic, no? Logic lang yun, common sense pa. Parang, hindi naman, kung tinawag niyo ako, sa mga previous names ko, or alam mo yun, sa name na tinatawag ako ng mga friends ko, or ng mga kakilala ko, or ng dentist ko, or alam mo yun, ng family ko, do you feel like that will make us closer? No, I don't think so. As in, feeling ko kasi, gets ko naman, parang feeling nyo, you're one of the closest friends, ganyan, kapag ka ganun lang tawag nyo sa amin, di ba? Parang, aha! may alam akong information about you. Diba? Parang, hindi sa lahat. No? Ano ba yan? Ang gulo-gulo naman na itong phone case na to ah. Ayan. Okay na. Sumabay pa tong phone stand na to. Hayop. Di ba nahilo kayo? Eto, nabudol din ako nito sa TikTok shop eh. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana ba siya or what. Pero parang wala namang nangyayari. Eme-eme lang ata itong Dr. Recruitment. Ano namang nangyayari? Uy, ba't tayo mag-open? Sumabay pa to talaga. Ayan. Kukulit nyo. Choice. Ay! Wag na. Wag na mag-phone stand. Ganyan na lang. Hayop na yan. May available tickets pa ba or pwedeng walk-in sa show? May available tickets pa. Mas okay na bumili na kayo ng tickets online. Kasi walang guarantee na magkakaroon ng walk-in. Pero we do offer walk-in naman. May mga walk-in, yes. Ito, wag niyong bibilin to guys sa TikTok. Hindi siya madikit. As in, hindi siya madikit. Tapos nakakalito yung ganyan-ganyan, ikot-ikot, tapos keme-keme. Nakakalito. Wag niyong bibilin to. Ano sa akin to? 2 stars lang. 2 stars. 2 stars siya. Huwag niyong bibilin to. I-screenshot nyo, tapos ipagkalat nyo sa mga tao sa TikTok. TikTok, guys, huwag niyong bibilin to. Don't buy in the yellow basket. Charis. Ito siya. Hindi siya maganda. As ang hirap mang keme-keme. Ganyan. Hindi mo alam kung anong iikot mo. May isa maganda kaso nasa baba. Nasa baba yung ko. So, nasa baba siya. Kung sino man may negosyo nito, mali, hindi maganda. Ayun, ang hirap po, ang hirap ikeme. 'Di ba? Parang nakakasira siya sa Barbie arms. So, sa mga naka-Barbie arms, hindi. This one, don't buy this, guys. Do not buy. Markado na tong phone stand na to sa akin. Hindi siya, it's not for me. Ayan o. Ayun o. Hirap talaga. This one. Avoid this on TikTok. Asikaso. Tama. Asikaso siya. O siya. Ako yung matutulog na guys. Again, comeback show on March 5, Friday, Camp Summers at Helix Bay. We still have a few tickets, a few seats left. So i-avail nyo na yan. Because we also have limited merch coming. So, first dibs ang ating mga showgoers as always. And I'll see you there. Thank you so much. Good night. And happy Women's Month. Bye.